Now everything really is perfect, and we have a task prepared for you, Captain. The next mission requires you to hold out for a set period of time, Captain. I think this could be interesting. Well, Captain, let's start this. Approach the mission description and activate it. Since we're currently doing a usability test, we can't really give you any in-depth pointers, Captain. We need you to figure most of it by yourself.
Now, Kumi, you're done for! Yes, you Kumi!